Let code 733 float field. This is easy question. Let's get into it. An image represented by 2D array of integer. Each integer representing the pixel value of the image from 0 to 65535. Given a coordinate, start R and start C, representing the static pixel, row and column of the float field, and a pixel value new color for the field image. To perform a float field, consider starting pixel plus any pixel connected for directionally to the starting pixel of the same color as the starting pixel, plus any pixel connected for directionally those pixels also with the same color as starting pixel, and so on. Replace the color of all the aforementioned pixels with the new color. At the end, return modified image. Let's check with example 1. Okay, this is image. This is the same function of Photoshop or the painter, the painting. So maybe there is one icon, the painter trash, painter can. So when you click the painter can and then click some of image, and then it will change it to selected one. So in this case, I will change the color, select color 2, and then I will click 1.1 with the mouse. Then it changed to 2. That is what we need to implement. Okay, why this one is not changed? Because this one is isolated from this one. Because neighbor is just the 4 direction: up, down, left, right. How we can do? That's right. I'm gonna implement with DFS with recursion, and then when I start point, I will change color, and then I will try to traverse 4 direction neighbor, and then if the direction is in boundary, not only in boundary but also color is same as start point, I will change it. And then when we go here, change this one, and then go here, change this one. Finally, DFS finished. I will return modified image. Okay, let's implement the code. I will make helper, row, column, and then image. The color is start color, and then make to do, and then I will call helper. Row is SR, and color is SC, and the color is image SR SC, and then I will make one edge case. Okay, let's say if to select the color, is same as the new color, what thing happened? Because it happened nothing. So at this time we just return image. Otherwise it will fall into infinity loop, because the reason is DFS cannot determine the visited check. Okay, let's continue to implement DFS. If I will implement base case, if not in boundary row, and boundary is length image, and column is the same column, and then image 0, and image row and column is color. If this is true and then not as this, if this one is false, I will return. And then now we are here. So first I will change color. Okay, image row and column, change new image, and then I will traverse 4 directions and follow column and color. I pass it color, the receipt, row +1, color +1, for direction row -1, column -1. And then I will return image. Okay, let's check the code. Run new image with the new color. Okay, looks good. Let's submit. In this case, time complexity worst case is all if all 1, and then this DPS will traverse same amount of length of cell, so it take linear time with linear space, because DPS use system stack same as length of cell. Thank you.